In this lesson, we'll show you how to add links to your model or to a particular item. The first thing you have to do before adding a link is selecting the item you want to add the link to. Then you go to the Item Tools tab, and from the Links panel, select Add Link. When you press Add Link, a window will appear. This gives you the option to link a URL or files of different formats to the object you selected. You can also name the link. So, to link your file or URL, hit the button next to the Link File option. A window will appear, allowing you to search through your computer to find where you have the link or URL saved already. Note that you have to have the file saved to your computer already, though. Additionally, if you don't see the file that you're looking for, go to Files of Type and select the file format you want associated with your particular element. Once you've found the particular link that you want to associate with your file, just click OK until you return to the main working screen. Your file will then be associated with the given element.